topic is finite and non-finite verb. Last boy, please close your books and open your rough notebook. Finite and non-finite verb. I think it's a new topic for you, so now listen to me very carefully and note down in your rough, and at home you can do it in your farewell. Now I'm going to write some sentences. Carefully observe the sentences. बताती हूँ बेटा. Bani, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, fine. Okay, now let's start. I'm writing some sentences. Satvik, quickly out. No, not now. After this topic, you can go. Yes, these are the 4 examples. First example is I go to school daily. Second, he goes to school daily. Third one is she went to her school. And the last one, they go to school. Now, one by one, you have to pick out the verb and don't speak collectively. I'll ask you, then you have to speak. First is Sanket. Sanket, in the first sentence, pick out the verb. Verb is the action word, जो action हो रहा है. Loudly. Okay. Next one is Kanishk. He goes to school daily. Yes. Next, Dhanvi. Arjun. So they are the these are the verbs. Only one verb is there, that is go. But now notice this. With I, we have used this word go. When he is there, we have added this thing s or es. And I have changed this tense into past tense. Now go kya ban gaya? Went. And here plural is there. Again I removed this s or es. So ye alone kya aa gaya? Go. Now this verb is changing its form again and again. This verb is called finite verb. Jashan, क्या पूछना है मेरे से पूछ लो बेटा. So verb which is changing its shape बेटा. So it is changing its form. I के साथ ये go रहा. Singular के साथ we have added s or es. In the tense we have made past tense. It totally changed its form. So this is called finite verb. Finite verb changes. वो change होता रहता है. You got it? So finite verb is the verb that changes according to the subject. जो subject होगा इसके according ये change हो जाएगा. And the tense also. So for example, present में it will remain goes, past में क्या हो गया, और future में will go. So it will change according to subject and it will change according to tense. Everyone understood this thing? Now please note down the definition. A finite verb, I'll speak up this definition, please note down. A finite verb is a verb. A finite verb is a verb that changes its form according to the subject and tense. According to the subject and tense. I repeat, a finite verb is a verb that changes its form according to the subject and tense. Now you can ask me question if you have any doubt in finite verb. Is it clear? Now I will ask you then question. So last one, please explain what is finite verb. Okay, give me one example बेटा. इसको छोड़ के कुछ और. Two example show करने के लिए देखो change हो रहा है. Give me two examples. Don't use the verb, this verb go. कुछ extra अपनी तरफ से use करो. There are hundreds of verbs. कोई भी एक लिख लो. कुछ भी pick up कर लो. They play in the playground. Okay. Second example, play की कोई और example दो. इसको past tense में change कर दो. Okay. They play in the park. He plays in the park. So play ने अपनी form change करके अपने आप को क्या बना दिया? Plays. Okay. Who will give me one more example? Yes, second bench. Two sentences of finite verb. After that, Nitya, it's your turn. Better get ready. Okay, I'll give you one verb. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. They writes. They writes. Sure. They writes आएगा या they write आएगा? They write. And एक और sentence with write. Again they. Yes, Arjun. They was writing. They wrote a letter. They write a letter. Yes. Nitya, give me your example. You have to write only this thing. अभी के लिए आप इतना ही लिखो, ठीक है? Yes, Nitya.
Ma'am, maybe example. Ma'am, on which word?
Any word, beta. Sing. Okay, sing.
Yes, ma'am. Can I give? They write a letter.
They write a letter. Okay, एक और sentence.
She writes a letter.
She writes a letter. Okay. Bhavya, your example.
Yes, ma'am. She reads the book. They were reading the book.
He reads the book. They were reading. Okay, well done. Now next is non-finite verb. Now please note down the examples. Now our first sentence is she likes to eat fruits. Second is they like to eat fruits. He liked to eat fruit. So in each sentence there are two verbs. हर sentence में दो verbs हैं. One is changing and one is not changing. दिस इज यस, ये चेंज हो रहा है लाइक्स लाइक लाइक, पर ये ईट है, इट इज नॉट चेंजिंग एट ऑल, ये चेंज नहीं हो रहा. सो दिस इज योर नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब, दिस वन. It doesn't change at all. कुछ भी टेंस करो, you can add any subject, but it will not change. Present, past, future, हर जगह ये same रहेगा. So this is your non-finite verb. Now please note down the definition. A non-finite verb, जैसे हमने finite की definition लिखी है, उसमें सिर्फ doesn't word आ जाएगा. A non-finite verb is a verb that doesn't change according to. A non-finite verb is a verb that doesn't change according to the subject and tense. After this thing, I'll give you 5 sentences. You have to identify which is finite verb and which is non-finite verb. So a non-finite verb is a verb that doesn't change according to the subject and tense. Is it clear? Randomly, yes, Bhavya.
मैम मेरे को थोड़ा सा क्लियर नहीं हुआ, एक बार मैम एग्जांपल लेके दोनों से डिफरेंस बता दो.
बेटा, this is the example in front of you. So likes, you can see this. इसमें likes था. In the second sentence ये क्या बन गया? Yes, Bhavya, like. And in the third one?
मैम like.
So it is changing, but ये जो eat है, it is not changing at all. It is remaining same. So ये non-finite है, eat. This one. जो change हो जाता है, that is finite. जो नहीं change होता, वो कौन होता है? Non-finite. Yes, बेटा. Speak up again. A non-finite verb is a verb that doesn't change its form. जो आपने finite की definition लिखी है, उसमें सिर्फ doesn't word आ जाएगा, बाकी सारी same. Doesn't change its form. Okay, now I'm giving you 5 sentences. You have to pick out finite and non-finite verb. Circle the finite verb and underline the non-finite verb. I'll give you the best method to do this. मैं कोई भी sentence दूंगी, you have to change the tense. अगर मैं present में दे रही हूँ तो उसको past में change करके देख लो. जो change हो जाएगा, that is your finite verb. जो नहीं change होगा, that is your non-finite verb. ठीक है? Now I'm giving you some sentences. बिना verb के sentence possible नहीं है बेटा. Don't speak, please. And hard is not a verb. First of all, please note down. I said please do not speak beta. अपने मन में इन सबको चेंज करके देखो, पास्ट है तो प्रेजेंट में, प्रेजेंट है तो पास्ट में, ठीक है। अर्जुन हिंदी में समझाऊं या पंजाबी में? डू नॉट स्पीक इन बिटवीन, बीच में मत बोलो, बिना गल तो ना बोलो। Okay, these are the 5 examples you have to pick out, and please, when I will say, then speak up. They worked hard to get good marks. It is not possible to climb the tree. The police caught the thief. She likes sitting with me. Our team won, scoring the highest marks. आपको सिर्फ मेरे को आंसर नहीं बताना, आपको इसको किसी और टेंस में चेंज भी करके दिखाना। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज सात्विक, दे वर्कड हार्ड टू गेट गुड मार्क्स। चेंज इट इनटू प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड देन टेल मी विच इज फाइनाइट एंड विच इज नॉन फाइनाइट। सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज गिवन, तो प्रेजेंट में क्या होती है फर्स्ट फॉर्म? ओके, तो दे वर्क हार्ड टू गेट गुड मार्क्स, इसमें कौन सा वर्ब चेंज हुआ, कौन सा नहीं हुआ? ये चेंज हो गया, एंड कौन नहीं चेंज हुआ बेटा? The best method is to change it into some other tense. The verb that changes, it's the finite verb. Please sit down. Next from here. Nitya, answer number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer number 2, beta.
It is not possible to climb this tree.
Change it into past.
Not possible. Finite verb.
बेटा not possible verb ही नहीं होता. Change it into past tense, Pavandeep. To climbed. Sure, to climbed. Anyone? Last. Well done. Yes. So अगर आप इसको past में change करोगे, it will become it was not possible to climb the tree. So is will change into was, ये change हो गया, and climb it will remain same. It was not possible to climb the tree. Okay, the next one. Yes, Bhavya, third one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, third one. Ma'am, caught finite verb.
Better change it into present tense. Okay, fine. Change it into present tense.
The police catches the thief.
The police catches the thief. So caught किस में change हो गया? Catches में. This is your finite verb, and there is no.
Yes, ma'am. Finite verb.
Yes. There is no non-finite. नहीं लिखना बेटा. ये जो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ ना कि आप इस टेंस में चेंज करो, that you have to do orally. अपने लिखना नहीं है इस चीज को. Now the next one, who will tell me? Anmol. She likes sitting with me. Change it into past tense. Yes. 1 second, please, loudly. She liked sitting with me. Okay, तो कौन change हुआ, कौन नहीं हुआ? Okay. And कौन नहीं हुआ change? Yes, well done. She liked sitting with me. She will like sitting with me. तो sitting same है, ठीक है सब में. Okay, the next one. Let me find out from here. Ayushi, yes, please. Arjun, sit properly.
Ma'am, fifth one.
Last one, beta, last one.
Ma'am, we will change this into present tense. Our team win, scoring the highest marks. Ma'am, won होगा finite work, scoring non-finite.
Okay, excellent, well done. Fine, correct answer, beta. Now this was our little exercise जिसमें मैंने check करना था. Now you get to know this thing or not. Finite क्या होते हैं, non-finite क्या होते हैं. And I hope it's clear to you now. ठीक है? Now next is ये इतना ही है. इसकी आगे भी कुछ types हैं. हम आज एक ही type करेंगे. Yes, please, third bench, second bench. What happened? You are not supposed to leave your seat. नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब की आगे कुछ टाइप्स हैं. वील डू वन ओनली टुडे. बस 5 मिनट्स का काम रह गया हमारा. ओके, हर्षी, एनी डाउट?
नो मैम. मैम वो आंसर करना था.
सारे म्यूजिशियन इसी क्लास में है. कोई ना कोई साउंड आती रहती है कुछ ना कुछ की. और कल ये तो गुनगुना भी रहा था सॉन्ग. इंडियन आइडल टीम को इधर ही ले आते हैं. Non-finite verb types. Last year बेटा we did one topic infinitives gerund. किसको याद है? Infinitives किए थे हमने. किरण मैम ने करवाए होंगे मे बी आपको लास्ट ईयर. क्या थे इन्फिनेटिव्स? सही बोल रहे हो? यस, बोलो बोलो बेटा, कैरी ऑन. First type is infinitive. Infinitive means two plus first form. Infinitive means two plus first form. Yes, to climb. कोई एग्जाम्पल दो प्लीज. Okay. So this is your infinitive. So it's not necessary कि हमेशा टू के साथ ही आएगा. Now I'm giving you one more example. It may rain. Stop it, Arjun, please. It may rain. Change it into past tense. कौन करेगा इसको past tense में change? पवनदीप. इसके सारे नाम रख दो. पवनदीप भी यही है, अनमोल भी यही है, और उस दिन भव्या भी यही था, आई थिंक. It may rain, it might rain. तो ये चेंज हो रहा है, ये नहीं चेंज हो रहा है ना. तो दिस इज योर नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब. पर इसमें तो टू भी नहीं आया, इट्स अलोन. ठीक है, तो ये भी क्या किसकी टाइप है? इन्फिनिटिव. इन्फिनिटिव जनरली मीन्स फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. कभी कभी ये टू के साथ आता है और कभी कभी ये अलोन आ जाता है. आज हमने इतना ही करना है, बस इसका एक नोट लिखो, 1 नोट, देन यू आर फ्री. फ्री मतलब बोलने के लिए नहीं, इसको रिवाइज कर लेना अच्छे से. सो प्लीज नोट डाउन द नोट. इन्फिनिटिव विदाउट टू के बिना वाले इन्फिनिटिव को क्या कहते हैं? बेयर इन्फिनिटिव. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज. ये एग्जाम में ऐसे नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, इन्फिनिटिव विदाउट द वर्ड टू. जो टू के बिना अलोन इन्फिनिटिव आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड बेयर इन्फिनिटिव. There are 1-2 more types that we'll do tomorrow. अब एक छोटी सी क्विज आई थिंक मेरे को ले लेनी चाहिए. So there are 4 teams, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how to take quiz online? Let me decide. हर्षिया.
मैम 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 यस मैम, ये दोबारा समझा दो मैम, मेरी मीटिंग एंड हो गई थी. ये इन्फिनिटिव के एग्जांपल्स जो आपने समझाई है ना.
Okay, I will. Just give me 1 minute. Bhavya, keep quiet. Yes, Bhavya. I think you have muted yourself. Okay. So बेटा कुछ बच्चों को इन्फिनिटिव नहीं समझ आया. They were online and उनका कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम थी. Let me explain it. Infinitive is the type of non-finite verb. Non-finite verb मतलब ये चेंज नहीं होगा. ठीक है. So generally it is made up of 2 words, 2 plus first form. 2 plus first form. For example, he wants to run fast. This is your infinitive. He requested her to sing a song. To sing is your infinitive. पर कई बारी क्या होता है, ये बिना टू के भी आ जाते हैं. For example, this thing. It may rain. तो ये नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब है and it is without टू. बिना टू वाले इन्फिनिटिव को क्या कहते हैं? बेयर इन्फिनिटिव. I have written the note. Infinitive without two is called bare infinitive. Now let me ask you questions. Here we have teams A, B, C, D. Let me find out जिसको सबसे अच्छा समझ आया है. And from online. Okay, online I'll ask you randomly. No, not now. Give me 1 minute more, I'll send you. Okay, team A, yes. Dhanvi, Kanishk, and your name? Pranav. Okay, so my first question is from Pranav. Please stand up better. So my question is, what is finite verb? Without looking into your notebook, quickly tell me. Finite verb is a type of non-finite verb. Stop it. Okay, zero for team A. Now team B, last boy. What is non-finite verb? You are not supposed to help him. Let him talk. Let him speak. Non-finite verb. Okay. Well done. 5 marks to team B. Okay, now next one is Pavandeep. Pavandeep, I will speak one sentence. You have to pick out non-finite verb. ठीक है? Okay, my question is थोड़ा typical दूंगी मैं. Swimming is good for health. Okay, cheating is not good for you. चलो ये बता दो. Cheating is not good for you. Non-finite verb बताना है इसमें. मैंने आपको क्या कहा था, इसको पास्ट टेंस में चेंज करके देखना. चीटिंग इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू. ओके ओके, टाइम अप. नो, नेक्स्ट. सिट डाउन. जशन, चीटिंग इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू. नॉन फाइनाइट कौन सा है? वेल डन, 5 मार्क्स. सो चीटिंग इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू, इसको हम पास्ट टेंस में चेंज करते हैं तो क्या आएगा? चीटिंग वॉज नॉट. इज तो वॉज बन गया पर चीटिंग सेम रहा. ठीक है, तो ये क्या बन गया? नॉन फाइनाइट. अभी बी एंड डी के 5-5 चल रहे हैं एंड सी एंड ए दे आर ऑन 0. नाउ लेट मी आस्क कनव. कनव को मैं टीम ए में डाल रही हूँ. कनव प्लीज अनम्यूट.
यस मैम.
मैं रैंडमली जैसे जैसे हैंड रेस किया वैसे वैसे टीम्स में डाल रही हूँ. सो कनव, कनव, आई विल स्पीक वन वर्ड. यू हैव टू पिक आउट द फाइनाइट वर्ब. ओके, कैन यू हियर मी?
यस मैम.
Okay, my question is, he wants to become a doctor. He wants to become a doctor. Quickly, you have just 5 seconds. Finite verb.
मैम इसको
Yes, Kana?
मैम इसको मैम आपने जो सेंटेंस दिया इसको क्या करना है?
Finite verb pick out करना है बेटा. Finite.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट द सेंटेंस.
He wants to become a doctor. No?
मैम वांट्स.
Explain me, please. I want to check you are guessing it or you are actually you know the answer. Why wants, beta?
मैम बिकॉज ही.
Because he.
मैम वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ टू बिकम.
Okay, I'll give you 2 marks team A because he is not able to tell me why wants is. Okay, next is Suhana team B.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Suhana team B. Suhana, am I audible? अगर मैं ऑडिबल ना हुई सुहाना को तो वो सच बोल रहा था. आई एम नॉट ऑडिबल. सुहाना अनम्यूट प्लीज. ओके, भव्या इन टीम बी देन. भव्या. No, nobody is responding. Bani. चलो हर्षिया लास्ट फिर.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harsha,
Yes, ma'am.
you are in team B. So my question is, you have to pick out infinitive. Okay.
मैम आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So, okay, beta, I'll meet you.
मैम infinitive okay मैम. Yes,
I'll meet
same time.